Okay, so you've got a E39 with broken headlight adjusters, and some of them are easier to fix than others. Some of them you can bake in the oven for 210 degrees for about 7 minutes, and you can take the cover off and put the adjusters on. There's videos on how to do that, and this video is not about that. So then there's the other option of taking it out and then fixing the adjusters from behind. There's videos on how to do that, and this video is not about that either. But you've got the headlight and it's dangling. The whole thing moves up and down, and you're trying to just get the lights focused so you can use them until you have the time to fix it properly, which is put new adjusters in. So this is not about a workaround. This is a temporary workaround. This is not about another way to fix it. The only real way to fix it is to put adjusters in. If you can't, my understanding is if the light has been built after mid 2002 sometime, you can't even put these in the oven to bake them because there's an epoxy glue in here and you can't do it. So this particular light, I just got this car a few months ago and I bought these lights used. Didn't know to check the date first. Doesn't matter. They worked, so they're good. The problem is these were built in 2005. So obviously these were bought, they're Hellas, so they were stock that was new. So I think I'm not going to be able to bake these open. That's where I'm getting to. So I will have to address doing the adjusters from behind, but right now I just want the lights from stop moving, and I want to just manually adjust them in place so I can use them. And so what we figured out is, we already did it over here and we're doing it on this one too now, is that we just took a plastic tie and fed it through the little hooks on the ballast holder. The ballast bracket has hooks for the ballast wire to go to, and for some reason this wasn't done and I didn't notice it. So this ballast wire really needs to be going through those little hooks you see right there. So for now, what we've done is taken those hooks and put a plastic tie to the high beam socket. It's not actually on the plug. It's on the other side, the receiving side of the plug, if you will. I believe it's the male side. But anyway, so we just put the plastic tie there, and then stretched it enough to where you have one, no real play here, and two, at night we adjusted it so make sure that the lights are where we want them. And then once we did that, if you notice, typically the problem is you're able to move these, this really easily, like that. Well, now we can't. And so basically you're just kind of fixing the broken adjuster inside by holding it in place outside. So like I said, temporary fix, but it does work, and it works very well actually. Here's a close-up on how I did it. Just fed it through those two hooks and then through the bottom of this, right below where this connects, and then just pulled it. And again, all temporary. So I'm doing it again on this side until I have the time, maybe this weekend, to pull these lights out properly, and then I will try to put the adjusters in, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to bake these open. Baking them open is actually a very good process. It's intimidating, but I did it on one and it's really easy, and it's really the best way to fix these. If you can bake it open, that's the right way to do it. Anyway, hope this helps someone, but just wanted to get a quick video out on that.